Can I use an Excel formula to extract the link location of a hyperlink in a cell? I have a spreadsheet with a large number of cells containing hyperlinks with display text different than the hyperlink location, i.e. cell location A1. Display text equals site info. Hyperlink location equals this URL. Is there an Excel formula that allows me to access the text string of the hyperlink location? Ideally, it would look like this. Formula A1 equals this URL.
You can use a macro. Open up a new workbook, get into VBA, press Alt plus F11. Insert a new module, insert module, copy and paste the Excel user-defined function below. Get out of VBA, press Alt plus Q. Use this syntax for this custom Excel function, equals ctrl, cell, default underscore value.
I only needed to extract the address from a single cell's value, so I found this small function handy. Instead of a brute-force macro, you could also create a user-defined function that would extract and return the URL for any hyperlink at which it was pointed. In this case, you can place it where you want. If you want, for example, the URL from a hyperlink in A1 to be listed in cell C25, then in cell C25 you would enter the following formula, equals gatal A1. This URL.
Open up a new workbook. Get into VBA with Alt plus F11, Fn plus Opt plus F11 for Mac. Insert a new module, insert a module. Copy and paste the Excel user-defined function below. Press F5 and click Run. Get out of VBA, press Alt plus Q.
I had the same issue as at Sal. I found that the .hyperlink object actually splits the address into .address and .subaddress if it encounters a delimiter. Hash is one such delimiter. I don't know if there are others. See at Gilly3's comment above and this other Stack Overflow question. Hyperlinks 1. Address only returning a partial address. Also Microsoft's incomplete documentation on .subaddress. Hyperlink .subaddress property. One thing not mentioned anywhere is that the hash delimiter is not included in either .address or .subaddress, so if you want an address that will actually work as a full URL, you have to add the hash delimiter back in. With that, I modified at Matthew Locke's code as follows, also including the possibility of multiple hyperlinks being stored from at eagle O and my addition of hash. This should return a text string of all hyperlinks in full. I added a space at the end so if there's more than one, they are separated.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.